We are able to build you a website. If you are a prepaid store that you offer telecom and cell phone and prepaid wireless and accessories and all these things, it will represent your store. It shows people that you are real business. This is a $2,500 website that you can get for less than $500. We made it so affordable for our partners and for the wireless industry. Why not? Why don't you have something like this? Make sure you are on the map. Make sure your website represents your business and shows who you are and tell a story about your business. Just reach out to us. We can help you. Like I said, thank you so much again. I really appreciate it. If you need anything, reach out to us at www.shopupd.com or our sister company, marketing company, www.upluck.com. I'll leave both of them on this video so you can find us. Have a great day. Stay strong. Be successful. Good luck.